working with nature for a better future. Let us now witness the parade. For the parade of the animal ambassadors. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi. Hello, mukhang wala kayo energy. Hello. Oh, marami. Hi. Nasa na daw? Hello. Ayun, mabuhay. Panayaw po. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Kuya Boy, and I'm your host for this afternoon. Grab some background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005, and we are in coordination with the DNR, DOT, and BAI. Now, as a way of saying thank you for being with us at this prolific afternoon, we brought you a show where you will meet our animal ambassadors and to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna. So, una sa mga nakatayo po, upo lang po tayo. And guys, do not attempt to capture our animals while the show is ongoing po. Second, to those who are eating, I'm so sorry. Kindly finish it up or finish it later after the show. And lastly, for those who take photos or videos of our animals, bawal po ang camera. Okay. Joke lang guys, pwede po ang camera. However, kindly disable ang po sa flash. Okay? Because our animals here are light sensitive. So, double check lang po natin ang ating mga cameras. Okay? Now, the reason why we call them animal ambassadors is because to represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom to give you a message that is to protect, to preserve, and to conserve, and do not destroy their habitats. That's why, please help us with our mission in conserving them. By the way, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior at mukhang. Ready na po sila sa likod, folks? Now the question is, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Yes! One more para for energy. One more, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Yes! Use your energy sa inyo, folks. Naunahin natin ang ating tatlong raptors, folks. Alright. Naunahin natin ang ating let's meet our three raptors. Una, si Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. Now, Lakas, kamili na po. Yan tayo na siya, folks. And very good. Once again, folks. That is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with his scientific name now, Haliaetus locogaster. Loco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found here in coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan kalapad ang kanyang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na sila folks. Now, i-meet na natin ang ating second raptor. Or natin ang tatawagin, ang cute na si Jack Jack, our Brahminicae. Ayan na Kuya Jimar, tawagin natin si Jack Jack. No, Jack Jack. Are you ready to fly, boy? At ayan na siya, folks. There you go, once again, folks. That is Jack Jack, our Brahminicae, or also known as the Baluk. Now, Brahminicaes are the birds of prey, or raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapire, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice po, mga kuyas natin are wearing protective gloves because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. Now, raptors guys practice food parasitism. Food parasitism is stealing of food from the other animals. So, kumuha sila ng pagkain from the other animals po. Alright, i-meet na natin ang ating third raptor. Alright, may I call on Pagaspas, our Philippine serpent eagle. Ayan, dito na si Kuya Simon. Now we will show you how they hunt po. Kuya Simon dito is merong toy lizard. Now, Pagaspas. Ayan na yung toy lizard ko, boy. Okay. Wait lang natin, folks. Medyo nagmamasin pa si Pagaspas ngayong hapon. Right now, ayan na. Tinututukan niya, guys. Pero wait lang. Okay, once again, we are still working with wild animals now. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change the behavior. Okay, no, Pagaspas. At ayan na siya, folks. Then, there you go. Now, guys, once they are in flight, they will lock on and dive on their target. Talons first. They are smart enough to identify which prey are venomous and non-venomous and will adjust their attacks based on their targets. Now folks, Philippine serpent eagle are endemic here in the Philippines, meaning they can only be found here in the Philippines, which is based from their names. Alright, now folks, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors, but here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 5 species of raptors. The Brahminicae, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, the grass owl, and also our peregrine falcon po. Alright, that's all for our raptors, folks. Palakpakan po natin sila. At syempre, palakpakan din natin ang ating mga poking trainers na sina Kuya Timar, Kuya Simon, at Kuya Gucci. Ay, medyo makulit ngayon si